Greetings and hello everyone. Today we're going to be working with graphing. So in a previous video when we were going over slope-intercept form, we had the two important values, the slope and the intercept. Today we're going to see how we can use those values on a graph. So the first thing we want to do, in this problem it gives us directly the slope and the intercept. So we're going to start off with that intercept, my b value. That is going to be like my starting point on the graph. So I'm going to find the y-intercept of 4. So here I am at the origin. I'm going to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to put a point right there. Now I'm going to use this slope. So the slope tells me to rise 3 and run 2. But there's a negative here. So I'm actually going to go down 3 and to the right 2. So down 3, 1, 2, 3, right 2, 1, 2. So that gives me -3, 2. Now, if I wanted to put the negative with the 2, I could. That would give me up 3, 1, 2, 3, and then to the left 2. And you'll notice that both of these points are on the same line. So it doesn't matter which way I go, it's going to give me the same result. So I'm going to connect this up, and I'm going to draw my line. And there we go. That's how we graph out this problem. What if it doesn't give us the slope directly and the y-intercept? What if it gave us something like this? 12x minus 3y equals 18. Well, I can turn this into slope-intercept form just like I did in a previous video. So I'm going to start off with subtracting 12x from both sides. When I do that, I get -3y equals -12x plus 18. My next step is going to be to divide both sides by -3. Divide by -3, divide by -3, and divide by -3. Negative divided by a negative is a positive. 3 divided by 3 is just 1. Negative divided by a negative is a positive. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So this is going to be 4x. Positive divided by a negative is a negative. 18 divided by 3 is 6. So I have changed it over. This one needs a little more work. I just have a 4. I want a fraction. So I can turn 4 into a fraction by saying that this is going to be 4 over 1. And then my b value for this, my y-intercept, is at -6. So I have the information that I need. Let's go ahead and start graphing this. So I'm going to start by putting a point at -6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This tells me to go up 4 and to the right 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And if I wanted to, I could always do another point. Before I went backwards, now I'm just going to continue on the pattern I started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And this little thing right here that it forms, this is known as a slope triangle. It's a triangle built off of the slope. Connect this up. And there we have it. So we've graphed a problem when they give it directly to us. And then we graphed a problem. This is known as standard form right here. That started off in standard form. We're able to change it over into slope-intercept form and graph the problem. So review through these two problems and have a great day.